So we have a project here we're going to do in the shed today. So my Resnor heater ended up dying. I believe the heat exchanger went out on it. So what we need to do is mount the Dyna-Glo blue flame wall heater onto the wall. So we've got basically everything we've needed. I hopefully measured the piping correctly and we'll have enough piping here. We will see. And then what we're going to do is mount that to the wall slightly where the propane is coming out of the pipe, probably right there. We have a fan and then that will blow into the room here. So we will see how it goes. So we've got all our mounting stuff here, the directions. It's been a while since I mounted one of these. The actual mount itself to hang, and then what we're going to do is switch it from natural gas to LP if it's already set to natural gas. Our wood mount there, and then we just have to find out where the stud is, and then we'll take that crap down and mount it, move this, and get it hung up here. But I'll do a little review on this after we get this mounted. As you can see, it's already on LP, but it's pretty easy to switch. You just turn it and push down to turn, and that switches it to natural gas or LP. We're going to leave it on LP though because that's what we are using. All right, update here. So we ended up getting the Dyna-Glo installed. I did put a fan in front of it here just to get some of that warm air blowing outwards, and then we do have the ceiling fan on blowing the hot air down. So anyway, what we needed to do here was get a regulator, and it came in a kit here. It was actually the Mr. Heater specific to the wall mount. It was the Mr. Heater wall mount regulator kit. So we got that. And what we needed to do here with the connection specifically that we had running from the propane tank there into the building and now to here was we needed a 1/2 inch to basically 1/4 inch union. So we got a 1/2 inch nipple to the union between the 1/2 inch union and the 1/4 inch union, or the 1/4 inch nipple. So 1/2 inch nipple, union, 1/2 inch, and then the back end 1/4 inch to the 1/4 inch nipple, and then 1/4 inch into the low pressure regulator, and then out the other end was the 1/2 inch again, and then into the line. It was just basically a 1/2 inch nipple right there. That came with the kit, and then we got the 12-foot line going to the Dyna-Glo, which the kit came with everything you needed to connect it to the propane on the bottom. So we got it hooked up, and now it's running really, really well. So I'll put in the description what I used here to make it work, and then I'll do a short review on this product in a little bit when I come back down in about an hour here and see how the product does in warming up the building. So it's 54 degrees. This is a 30,000 BTU heater, and you can see here I've got a bunch of stuff in this shop. So we'll see. We'll come back and revisit. But anyway, that's kind of how I installed it here, and just found the studs on the wall, put just a cheap board, and that was it. Pretty easy install as long as you have the right parts. I'll link everything I use in the description.